Hello, what's up, YouTube? Okay, it's been 3 months since the Samsung Galaxy 50's fingerprint issue started, and after the November update, there was a small fingerprint issue with the fingerprint not registering and the fingerprint unlock is very slow. Okay, and after that, two more updates came into, but there is no solution for that. The company didn't give a permanent solution for that. Okay, but there is an improvement in the face organization. They made it happen in the previous update. Okay, so in today's video I'll be telling you guys how you can solve this issue, this fingerprint not registering issue, for permanently without any root or without installing any software. So without any more time or juice, let's get started. Okay, hello, what's up guys? Yeah, here is a Samsung Galaxy 50, and okay, today's video I'll be telling out about the permanent solution. Okay, don't want to install any application. There is a small trick in this registering itself. Just go to the fingerprint pattern and you can see here 3 fingerprints are registered. Okay, I will see you guys. The fingerprint 3 and this finger is for fingerprint 2 and one more is for 1. Yeah, I will remove these 2 fingerprints. Sorry, this one. Yeah, these 2 fingerprints remove, and now you guys try to add the fingerprint, and what happens is, okay, you apply your fingerprint and it doesn't reads your fingerprint. This is a very big issue happening with this phone. Okay, and at last this notice comes, couldn't register the fingerprint. Okay, so the permanent solution is just register, and after that, while registering, you just need to place the finger from downward direction instead of placing like this. Just like here, place it. You can see symbol. It registers very quickly and no problem is occurring. Mention to change your fingerprint direction to get a nice value. Yeah. Here you can see the fingerprint is registered without any problems. Okay, and next one too, the same. Okay, if you place it like this, you can see yeah, I think it can take it. Yeah, no, you can't register like putting your finger in the sideways direction. You just need to put your finger from the downward direction. Okay, you can see no problems happening, everything is cool. Yeah, simple as it is. If you don't want to install any application or don't want to clear any cache, I have seen many videos in which they are clearing the cache from factory settings. You don't need to do such things. Okay, you can see the fingerprint is registered very quickly, and you can see it reopens very quickly, no problem. You can see that is a permanent solution for the Samsung Galaxy A50's fingerprint issue. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. If you're new to my channel, then please mention clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you guys won't miss a beep. If you like this video, hit the like button. Well, I'm Abhi Thomas from RPGT, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.